This is Waltham Barry's brain during a drug overdose.
Hello?
Who's out there? He hasn't been feeling well. Whoa!
Hey!
There he is.
There I am.
Easy toots.
Yeah, I already know. How are you doing? It's great to see you. It really is. It's always great to see you, my friend.
It's setting up to be a really good day.
Oh,
Setting
yeah?
up to be a good day.
Oh, yeah? Avery's been telling me, I got this guy next door telling me, like, what's going on with this stuff? Come on.
1, 2, 1 for you, 1 for Avery, 1 for me, 1 for you, 1
all
for
right,
Avery.
all right, all right. That's what I like to hear. Well, let's see the prescription, man. Pull it out. Where's it out? Where's the magic? Come on.
Where is Mr. Avery been?
You frustrate the fuck out of me. You called me for the appointment. You called me. I didn't call you.
He's making me a birthday present.
I remember my birthday present. Well, then you'll understand when I talk to you here, and that was in the agreement. We weren't talking singular. It's plural. Come on, where's all the goods?
My nurse had to quit.
I don't know about no nurses, brother. I'm sorry. I can't be doing that whole nurse thing. You know what I mean? Like,
Hey, let's just cut to the business, huh?
she's got the goods.
What's that behind your ear,
I don't know. I do know. Mr. Chandler, this is light. Just one.
Dr. Chandler.
Dr. Chandler.
Dr. Chandler.
Dr. Chandler. Whoa, my bad, Doc. Sorry, I've been coming here for how long now?
I've been
Doc.
your pediatrician.
Doc.
That's how long you've been
Doc.
coming here.
Doc.
Did you forget to take it?
No. No.
forget to
This is
come
not
for
something.
your
This is
checkup.
not something I would forget to take.
How about 1 for you?
Okay.
How's Mr. Avery doing?
Let's not get talking to Mr. Avery.
And Mr. Avery too.
What Avery does is what Avery does. I'm in the whole underground when it comes to
Yeah.
that. But I'll let him know that you stopped by and said hello.
Sips like a fine wine. Mr. Schofield, a fine wine.
You know, it looks kind of straight. You know, not really my forte, but it's straight.
It's tickling you, maybe tickling your veins a little?
Come on, let's go. Let's do this. Come on.
Are you listening? Is there something behind your ear?
I dated a nurse and it was awful. It was probably one of the worst experiences I've ever had.
You're growing up so fast.
So Doc, how's Waltham Barry?
Waltham Barry is a mess, and you know that.
You're talking my language, Doc. Ooh, Doc. Avery's gonna be one happy, twisted individual. Very happy. Probably a little bit more twisted than he was before. Nice doing this with you, Doc.
You want to taste here?
Doc, that's what I love about you, Doc.
Hit, hit, bam, bam. Bam, bam, hit, bam, bam.
Oh shit, man. I'm just so overwhelmed. I'm so excited. Cause I'm gonna play the shit out of Avery with this bat. He'll probably pay thousands to just half of this dirt.
I can't wait to see Avery. You got him locked up all the time.
No, you got it self-locked.
And I think it's time to be on your merry way, my friend. Hey, tell your friends.
Thanks, Doc.
My lights. Marcus, my light. How do you expect to pay for all this, Marcus?
One worm. Two worm. Three worm. Four worm. Five worm. Six worm. Seven worm! Mr. Barry! Let me in! Sergeant! Mr. Barry, you there? Thought I heard something. I know someone's there! Who's there? It's Cedar.
Hey, how you doing, Mr. Man? Hey, it's a little cold
I got
out
the
there.
blueprints with me. We got urgent news to talk about. Sorry. Where were you yesterday? Yesterday? Oh yeah, no, I wasn't feeling too well.
Have you seen Avery?
Honestly, no. He stays cooped up in the basement for the most time. I haven't seen him in about 2 weeks now.
You sure you're feeling okay? It's not just a cold?
Fine. I'm fine, trust me.
I don't know about that.
I'm fine, okay? Do I seem fine right now?
Something's up. I know someone you can go see.
But I already
Dr.
told you, I just got over a cold, that's it. I was sick.
Say this is psychological.
This is psychological. Vern. Dr. Vern can help you.
I'll take the suggestion.
Dude. Come on, yeah.
Hello? Dr. Chandler. Hey, Waltham Barry. I'm good. Actually, I'm not. Yeah, I need to come see you. Yeah. Tonight, if possible. Tomorrow, I might not live till tomorrow. Cedar told me to call you. Hey. You know what, Cedar? I think I might be losing my mind. Come on, dude. I'm not sure what's going on, really. But there's something inside me. You need a show. 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 You need a show.
You feel it?
Yeah, sounds like it's coming from the basement. Hey, Greg! Hey, Greg!
Oh boy, here we go with this shit again.
Just something. Anything. I just fucking want it!
Avery. Avery. Avery, where's Waltham?
Line 1.
Hello, is this Dr. Chandler?
Yeah, hello. Is this Dr. Chandler?
Where is he? Avery! You down here?
What the fuck are you doing, Ave? What are you doing, huh? What is all this crap? What size of this thing? What's going on? The catalyst and the circuit. You want to be God, Marcus? Come on, man. You need to pick yourself together. You need to be more like me. Like, yeah, you know, we're fucking around with this trash, but you need to get your head on your shoulders, Ave. I'm not gonna keep telling you this. Dave, what is that sound? That's smooth right there. Ooh, ooh. I like.
You ready for the show?
Avery, it's your doctor speaking.
So you came to see the show! Haha! Are you ready? Embryo fungus. Gravity. Chester, you ready?
Time to take your medicine, Avery. You're going to make me blind down here as a bat. I cannot see you, I cannot find you, and it smells awful down here, Avery.
The humidity's right. The humidity's right.
Bro, you don't tell me you sleep down here, bro.
good, healthy standing for you. That's well-being.
It's okay. Welcome to the house.
That was crazy.
Isn't it beautiful? Chester boy.
Mayhem through music. I can hear some rhythm. I can hear some phrases. It sounds like you've got a saxophone down here. And maybe a trumpet.
Mr. Scottfield, have you seen what I created?
Eerie, disgusting.
So beautiful. Let's use Mr. Scottfield.
Bro, like,
Mr. Scottfield is responsible for this creature.
Like, Abe, you need to get out of this basement and come back to life.
Are you coming upstairs? No more clients today. I'm going home. I had a hard day. It's party time. My party. I'm going out the front door. Hold on my calls. Why do we have two doorknobs? All right, I'll see you later. Hold my calls.
Help, mister. Touch the buttons. Touch the buttons.
Many people think that the best way to escape war is to dwell upon its horror.
You're getting dirty with the slippery, the slimiest, the creepy crawler himself, DJ Lionel Hadwin. DJ Lionel Hadwin. It's the vinyl sounds to help you get delusional. The score is written, the ringing of the ears comes and goes. The movement is temporal, the music of the earth that helps you cope. That helps you cope.
Soon you'll be able to walk into your Admiral dealer's store and confidently buy the style radio or radio phonograph you want.
Mr. Hadwin, what should I bring to the party?
Beer and worms.
What will we be talking about?
We will be talking shapes and colors.
I love shapes and colors.
Indoor and outdoor plants.
I love outdoor plants.
And the best dirt to store those worms in.
Yeah!
Do you prefer the big, creepy crawlies or the small, dive right into your skin types?
You know what I like, the big creepy crawlies. The real juicy ones.
Roll in care of this radio station. That's all. Just your name and address mailed to Admiral at this station.
Rave at Hollywood and May Street. My show is playing, and Dr. Chandler will be seeing patients all night. Beer and worms. Do you prefer the big, creepy crawlies or the small, dive right into your skin types? It's like jazz all over your body. The scales are moving all over.
Coming live, I'm Michael Oftrey, and I'm here to bring you today's best news straight from Abercorn Street. On the top of the charts, we got Rich and Miles making #1 hit, Can't Stay Awake. Mix!
You can snort cocaine in this house. 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 He got a fresh press suit, but he don't got the loot to back up his shoe. He got a fresh press suit, but he don't got the loot to back up his shoe.
They're there. They're talking to you. There's voices. They don't speak. They simply hear you.
Let's take a minute out of our program for our sponsors. Hot Dog, it's one of Brad's favorites. Coney Island hot dogs. Put a little sauce on it for the flavor and have a chocolate milk. The Millbury Street Shuffle will have you back to Hollywood Street for late night num-nums time and time again. Woodoff's Bakery for authentic bulkies, a New England staple food and conveyor belt rides. Allergic to Cubicles for all your work wardrobe needs. And Mike Maloney, I am a attorney at law office where the drugs are not in the briefcase. Thanks for digging it out with the Create Measure. We got cats scratching at the door ready to use the bathroom. Please feel free to call in as time goes by. Bye-bye, underground friends. Hit, hit, bang, bang. Hit, hit, bang, bang. Hit, hit, bang, bang. Hit, hit, bang, bang.
He's a bad guy. He's bad. Nah, man, I'm throwing in 100. Yeah, what's up? Okay. Hell yeah, mate. What's up? This. Come on, dude. I'm trying to win here.
You've been trying to fucking sneak my liquor, ain't ya?
That's my radio.
The weird radio program.
You got tools, you got drawers.
You don't like that? Cats scratching it? Get them cats out of here. Can I get some earthworms? Come on, hey.
Bone.
Can you help me out?
Yeah. You gotta see some money, huh?
Get some money. You got money. You know where you need earthworms? A radio. I just need some earthworms. I don't need a radio. I just need earthworms. Just something small, you know? Something right now. I need something right now. My arms right now. I need some earthworms. I'm trying to wipe them away, you know?
From fucking everybody around town. You've been fucking my wife, and you've been fucking my wife.
That's how
Must be doing sweat.
Oh, it was good. It
What are we talking about?
61.
What are we doing? What are you?
You hiding in there? Now give me back my radio. Give them to me. Why do you threaten me? Give me back my words.
Come on in and get me.
You don't want me to come in there?
Avery, help. Flip the switch. Avery, bye, bye. Master, go to sleep now.
Stop hurting me! Stop! Stop! Stop!